Hey, what's going on, everyone? Happy Tuesday. We're going to take a tour of this 2022 Cougar 29 FKD. As you can see, the FK stands for front kitchen, which is one of my favorites. It comes out weighing 7,577 pounds with a overall length of 33 feet, 11 inches. So right here is your front or main entrance into the camper. And then directly next to that, you have your in-command system. So through this touchscreen, you are able to access all of the features in your camper, be able to see how full all of your tanks are, and they even have an app that you can download for free to be able to do it from your phone. So if you are sitting, relaxing, you don't want to get up, you can just go to that app on your phone and be able to control the AC, the heat, and everything from there, which is pretty cool. Across from your command system, you just have some additional closet storage. You can kind of use it for whatever you'd like, even some pantry space if you wanted to. A few hooks for your coats and dog leashes and whatnots. And then coming into this gorgeous kitchen, stainless steel refrigerator, which is actually a really good size. Microwave range hood, and then just below is your 3-burner stove top with this glass cover. So if you are cooking something that tends to splash, like stir fry or soups, maybe some sauces, anything like that, this will actually prevent everything from going against your wall. So it makes for easy cleanup. Plus, when you are not using your burners or they're all nice and cooled off, you can use it for some additional countertop space, which is pretty cool. Oven. All of this storage is below your sink. I like that it is kind of like an L shape for your countertop. You have all of this extra room for food prep. Great big window back there, and it does have a shade, but it's also tinted too, so it's not completely overpowering with the sun. But you have a really awesome view wherever you park your camper and while you're cooking. 50-50 split stainless steel sink with a spray nozzle, and then you also have power outlets on both sides. The one on the left also has a USB port. Couple cabinets as well, and then there is an additional window. And then turning around, not far from your kitchen is your booth dinette. So this will convert into a sleeping space for your kids or guests. And I love that the legs of the table are mounted against the wall, so you don't have to worry about your knees knocking against it if you are a taller person. And then also in this slide out, this is not carpet, it's like an outdoor rug material, so you can sweep up pet hair really easily. The sale price comes out to be $45,999 or $995 for everything. And then another thing I want to point out is this whole slide out is just completely covered with windows. So there's going to be a lot of natural light coming in, and they do open up too to let a nice breeze in. Plus they have those shades. To the left of that is your theater reclining seats, very comfortable. They have heating, massage, accent lights, and USB ports built in there. Cup holders, and then some remote control storage. And then across from your theater seats is a perfect view of your entertainment center. All electric fireplace is down below. So this actually kicks off some heat, but if you wanted to just have those really pretty lights going without the heat, you can do that too. A couple drawer storage for your DVDs. And then your Bluetooth speaker system is just above there, so that's where you can connect your phone for the outside speakers and put your Blu-rays in there, pretty much everything. Huge 4K swivel Ultra HD TV. More storage, and then kind of at an angle you have a pass-through bathroom. So neatly tucked away in this corner is your porcelain foot flush toilet. You have a lot of leg space, so you're not feeling extra claustrophobic. And then you got your sink with countertop space, power, storage below, and a jumbo-sized medicine cabinet. Nicely rounded out shower with plenty of room to turn around in. And I love that you have the clear shower glass door. It makes it feel a lot more open. Skylight is there up above, and then above your toilet is your vent fan. A few hooks for your towels too. But you have a private entrance into the bathroom from your master bedroom if you need to use the restroom in the middle of the night. You don't want to wake up your guests. And then there is the main entrance into your bedroom. King size bed, you can lift it up for additional storage underneath, but the fact that it is in this slide out means you have all of this walking space to get ready in the morning and even get in bed. Power outlets and USB ports so you can charge your electronics. Storage compartments up above. And then all the way at the, I guess the back of the camper is your closet space. So this does extend all the way across. You have this clothes rack plus a shelf up there. So you really have a lot of space to get ready, and you can use the mirrors to get ready, lots of room for your clothes. And then across from your bed, you have a jumbo size dresser with 4 drawers, countertop space if you need it. You honestly can have a chair set up right here, kind of use it as a vanity space. You also have a spot for a TV, so you can either hang it up on the wall or place it on this countertop space. More storage, and you are prepped for a second AC here in the bedroom if you want one. And you also have a second entrance leading outside. So if your kids are going to bed early, you know, you want to stay up by the campfire, you can just come in through this way without having to wake up your kids. So now let's take a look at the outside. Okay, so at the front you have your powered tongue jack, propane tanks. Nice accent lights are here on your front cap, and then you also have diamond plating at the bottom of your front cap to just help protect it. You are prepped for side marker cameras if you want them. Some additional storage, but it is locked right now. You also have a huge power awning to relax underneath, as well as some outside speakers. Both of your entrances are protected underneath that awning, so you aren't getting rained on if you need to go inside. Oversized grab handle at your main entrance, as well as solid steps. And since this is a 2022 model for Keystone, you do have solar panels on them, which is pretty awesome. Satellite and cable hookup plus power here on the outside. If you wanted to get a TV set up out here, you can. More storage. Spare tire. And here's more storage as well. And as you can see, you have the 2 entrances on either side. So I guess it's technically a pass-through storage located here on the back. And then you are pre-wired for a backup camera if you want one. And even more storage. And this is actually underneath your master bed. 2 slide outs on your non-camping side. But that covers the 29 FKD. If you have any questions or concerns about it, feel free to let us know.